Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope all of you are fine and studying at home and giving proper time to the work, the practical work that we are doing nowadays. So, in our last class, we had accomplished practical number 6. You know very well that we are covering all these points given in our practicals for Microsoft Word, Excel, and this Urdu in page. And you know that these are the three tools, and we are covering different scenarios. We are taking different scenarios in which we are implementing these all things. Fine. And I had shared with you the sample paper of the BISC as well, that how the question will be asked. And the same pattern we are doing our practicals. So today we have got another practical number 7. Practical number 7 is having 3 parts over here. You can see over here. And you have to do it accordingly. Section A is about uh, Microsoft Word, but today we are also going to see the pictures, that how we can insert pictures and we can apply different uh, types of you know operations on the pictures. So picture option is also there in today's work. So the first task is in section A, that this is a passage, type the paragraph in MS Word and save the document. Of course, you will save the document with your name. In order to save the time, I'm just copying this passage. This is the passage that we have got. I'm going to save it. You will save on the desktop or in your C drive with your name in the D drive, wherever, but in exam, you are supposed to save it on desktop in your folder and you save it with your name. So this is practical 7, section A that we are doing right now. So this is the paragraph that we have inserted and we have saved the document. Number 1 point is complete now. Number 2 is insert a. This passage is, you know, that it is about basically a about the abacus, the first computer made. Insert a shape as given at the top of the passage. Okay, insert a shape as given as the top of the passage. So we write over here, insert a rounded rectangle shape at the top of the passage. So at the top of the passage, we have to insert one rounded rectangle. And what we have to do, we have to do and type heading abacus. We have to type this heading abacus. Apply shape effect bevel round on it. Okay, so this is the shape effect that we have to apply. So what we are going to do over there in the second point. In the second point, we have to insert at the top of the passage. I'm making some space at the top of the passage. I'm going to insert. I'll click on the shapes. We had discussed these all things. I will find out some rounded rectangle or something like that. This is flowchart terminator. Okay, we can take this one or we can take this rounded rectangle. Okay, we'll right click on it. We'll right click on it and we will say add text. I'm typing over here abacus. Okay, so this is a heading that I have given over here. I can change the text size if I want to increase. So I make it up to 20 points so that it should be visible. Okay, so this is the thing that we have applied to this heading we have given in a rectangular shape. This was the point. What was the point? Insert a rounded rectangle shape at the top of the passage and type heading abacus. Apply shape effect bevel round on it. How can we apply the shape effects? We had seen this thing when we discussed the Microsoft Word. Double click on it, then find out that some shape effects are there. Yes, some different designs are there. You can change the fill color, outline color. We had seen these all things, that we can change the fill color. So they have asked us to apply bevel. There are some different design, shadow, preset, fine. Bevel angle. This one is given. Uh, we see over here. Bevel round. So we have to apply over here the shape effect, which is bevel round. Yes, this is bevel round. So bevel round is giving you, and you can see over here that some rounded embossed design is there in this effect. So we have applied this one. Since it was not asked to change the color, so we did not change. But if it is mentioned, so you will double click on it, and you will also change the color shape inside fill color. You can change the outline color from here, inside fill color from here. So you can do this accordingly. Next point is point number 3. Insert another picture. Insert an online picture of abacus and apply the picture style beveled oval black. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to insert online picture over here for abacus. I will click my mouse cursor over here down the passage. I will go to insert online picture, and I will type over here abacus. I will take any picture of the abacus and I will insert it in my document, because they did not mention which picture. They just mentioned that it is mentioned that take picture of abacus. I take one picture of abacus, and since it is containing some text, so what can I do? I can just take this picture, I can cut it out and delete this. The frame and the text is not required, only this picture is required. So this is the picture we have inserted. The next point was that we have to apply the style. And what is the style? Picture style beveled oval black. Also change its border color to red. Beveled oval black. When we double click on it, we see the picture styles over here. Artistic effects, colors, corrections, all these things are there related to the pictures, picture borders, effects. So if in picture styles, we have to find out this one, beveled black. Otherwise, whenever you will click on any one of them, it will show its name. So if it is not mentioned, just apply any picture style. So you can apply any picture style. But if it is mentioned specifically that beveled oval black, apply this one. And then it is mentioned that change the outline color to red. So we are going to change the outline color to red. So we have changed this outline color to red. Fine. So this point is also complete. Point number 3. Now this is point number 4. Okay, I think one extra point is there in it, but we'll manage it. Point number 4 is there. Insert another picture of abacus and place it with the first picture. Also apply picture effect bevel angle on it. Okay. Insert second picture of abacus. So we insert second picture, and they have also asked in the next point that insert third picture of abacus and place it with the previous two images. So we have to take two images more. Second is insert picture of abacus and place it with the first picture. Apply picture effect bevel angle to it. So what we are going to do, we will go again over here. We'll bring the mouse cursor. Okay, over here we'll go to insert online picture. We will type over here abacus. Fine. It will find out the pictures for us. We will take one image, just like we take this image. Fine. Over here again, it is too large. We'll make it small. Why? Because it is mentioned that you have to place it with the previous picture. So we will make it small. Fine. I have made it small. So since it is having a frame, so I will just take picture. Inside picture, I cut it over from here because it contains the placeholder as well, and I will place it with it. And what is the next point mentioned? That in the second picture, apply the picture effect bevel angle. Double click on it. Go to the picture effects. These are the effects. They did not ask us to apply picture styles. Picture effects. Bevel angle. Where is the angle? Round angle. This is angle. So we will find out and we will apply this one. So this is the bevel angle that we have applied to whatever it is mentioned. So we can apply it accordingly. Fine, whatever picture style is given. So we can do it accordingly. Let's suppose if it is there that 3D design. So we are going to give that particular 3D design which has been asked. So since it is bevel angle, so we have given this one. So whatever the design is there, so we are going to apply that design to our picture, and it is basically picture effect. And insert third image of abacus and place it with the previous two images. Change its color from black, change it from color image to a black and white image using appropriate tools. So what we have to do? We have to do one more picture. We have to resize it. We have to place it over here. So I will go to insert online picture. Again, I am mentioning over here abacus. We will take any other image. You will find it is finding through the Bing search. We can find any of them. It's up to us. It is not mentioned that which image is there that you need to select. We can select any a good image, whatever we like. We can select it and we can place it just like I select this one. Okay, so we can take any of the images. We will make it resize. Okay, we will resize it. Since the text is not required, hence I am cutting the only image from here and deleting the remaining place picture holder, and I am placing it over here. Its size is large. I am making it in the equal size. Fine. So it is in this shape now. You can take any other image or any other abacus image, whatever you like. So what we have to apply on it? We have to apply on it. Uh, the point is mentioned over here. Change its color from color to black and white. Double click on it. How we can do this thing? We can do this thing from this artistic effects. We can make it to black and white. It is mentioned that use appropriate effect, use the appropriate thing. We can go here and we can make it black and white. Fine, this is the easy way. Go to color and change it black and white. We can also do this thing from here. There's some effects are there, but it's better to apply it from the colors and go and apply it in the black and white color. So it has been converted to a black and white image of the abacus. Last point is, so since it was not mentioned using which tool, which option, so we used appropriate tool, whatever we like. Select a word art design in orange color and type the line abacus was the first computer at the bottom of the images. At the bottom of the images, what we have to do, we have to write one line, but it should be in the word art. I bring my mouse cursor over here. I go to insert word art. This is the word art in orange color. Take any orange color. Okay. Abacus was the first computer. Fine. It should be in one line. So I make it in one line by increasing the size of the box. I select this text. We have to make it of 40 point font size. So I'm applying over here 40 point to it so that now it is clear that it is basically the required thing. At the bottom of the images, take font size 40 points. So this point is also covered. We have taken in orange color. If you want to fill it, it's up to you. If you want to fill this, so select it and go to, I think we will be able to fill it. We can fill it using some, orange color in this way as well. So this is possible for us, light orange color or dark orange color, but you can fill the text inside. The text, I think you will be able to fill over here. You can take the orange color or whatever the color you want and apply. Fine. So in this way, we have done this work. We have saved this file. The word section is complete. Come to the next point, which is section B. Okay. In section B, what we have to do, we have to make, yesterday we had done an electricity record, but the following records, the following are the records of of few students of class 9th. Okay, in Pakistan school Muscat. Okay, so these are the records. We have given a few records over here. Few students of class 9th. These are the records given over here. What we have to do, see the points over here, create the given format and save with your with file on your, and save the file on your desktop with your name. Save the file on your desktop with your name. So in order to save the time, I am copying, but you will have to type it. You will have to create this format. Now see what is there in this format. Okay, now see over here that over here in this format, the important thing is that some things are there which are central aligned and some things are there which are left aligned. Just like if you see over here, you can see that marks obtained, class, gender, these are central aligned. Fine, and roll number is over here left aligned. So I make it left aligned or central aligned. Yeah, it is left aligned, but I make it central aligned. It will be better. So first name and last name are left aligned. Gender is central aligned. So keep in mind that these columns we can select and we can make it central aligned. If it is left aligned, so we can click over here on the central aligned. So it will be central aligned. So this is the format that we will make first. Now, after making this is for 1 mark, you will make this format. Sort the record. Now, second point. Come to the second point. Sort the records according to the marks obtained in ascending order and make it and take one screenshot of it. Sort the records according to the marks obtained in ascending order. How we can make the records in ascending orders according to the marks. So this is very important for us, that basically this is the data that we are going to sort. Serial numbers should not be changed. So we are not going to select the serial numbers. So over here you will find out the option of uh, sorting, and sorting we can apply in ascending order A to Z. Fine. So on which column we want to apply the sorting, this is important over here. So we will apply the sorting on a particular column, custom sort. On which column you are going to apply the sorting, we will have to select that column. So we will take the column, we will select this text from the names. Let me make it central line. These are the names of the students that we have selected. Names, father's name, gender, class, and marks obtained. We did not take the serial number, otherwise serial numbers will be randomized. That's why. So we want to sort this data, and we will click over here. We will go to the custom sort, and on which column you want to apply the sorting. Fine. Sort by, I say over here, marks obtained. Fine. Marks obtained. Sort by their values. Values in ascending order. What is meant by ascending order? From low to high, from some smallest to largest. Ascending order means, you can see over here, what is written over here, ascending order. Certain ascending order means from low to high we are going to select, and we will say, okay, so now you can see that smallest number, lowest number is 250, then 300, 325, 375, 400, and up to 480. So students have been sorted in this way. Now what we need to do, we have to take one screenshot of it. Fine, this thing is very important, that we will take one screenshot of it. Why? Because it is required over here, that take one screenshot. So in output, we will not only show the output that we have made it, but we will also take the screenshot of it, one screenshot. So there will be multiple screenshots because there are multiple things to do. Number one thing. So we have taken one screenshot of it. And come to the next point. Next point is sort all the records according to name in descending order and take one screenshot. Names according to the names of the students. Select these, go to custom sort. How we are sorting? We are sorting according to names, according to the values, and in descending order. Descending order means from Z to A, not from A to Z. Z to A means, for example, over here, if you see over here, so I think Sadia should come at in the beginning. Why? Because her name is starting is I think in this list S is coming at the end. If Z is there or Y is there, so of course those name will be coming in the beginning. Now you can see that we have sorted the records in the descending order of the names. Fine. We will take the screenshot by pressing screenshot button. We will go to our work and we will give over here the screenshot. Fine. So we will have to give the outputs accordingly, just like first output is to make the format. Second output is sorted by marks in ascending order. Fine. Third output is sorted by names in descending order. Now come to the fourth point. Filter data. Filter data for the students of class 9C only and take screenshot. How can we filter the data? We can apply the filter data by selecting the first row, or we can click anywhere in the top header and we can go there and we can apply this option filter. Filter will give you the combo box over here. Can you see this point? Filter will give you the combo box over here. You can select, for example, if I say select only female students, so you will select the female, take the female only, the female students will be visible. It does not mean the rest of the records have been deleted. No, of course, we have filtered some data. So if I click over here male and remove the females, and we can see the students who are only boys, we can go and we can check mark over here. All the data will be visible. So what is the task which is mentioned over here? Filter the data of the students of class 9C only. 9C. So what we are going to do in the class header, I'm going to remove A, 9th A, 9B, and I'll click on 9C only. So only the 9C students are visible right now. I will take one screenshot of it and I will go to my work and I will paste in my output. Why? Because I will have to show the output. How I will tell the examiner my output that this is the work that I have done. The examiner will see that yes, he has applied the filter. I can see over here the combo boxes are available and the data is of course filtered according to the given criteria. That's why we have to take the screenshot. Come to the next point now. Next point is filter data for class 9C 9C girls students only, and take the screenshot of. Now there are two criteria. Class 9C only, A and B should not be there, and gender should be female. So we have to apply two filters on it. Fine. So if we see over here, if we remove that previous filter, now you can see there wherever we have applied filter, it shows you the filter option. So if I remove that filter, these are the total records. Now we have to apply two filters. Number one thing is that there should be only 9C students. So I am selecting 9C, and there should be only girls. So I'm removing males. So there are only two records. One mistake is there, I think. No, so now names are correct. These are the father's name. Fine. So I take the print screen and I go and I paste this output over here. This is the fourth output, fifth output that I have taken. Basically, the first output was that when we made the passage, okay, so it is basically the first output when we made the passage. When we applied filtration on it and all the things, so the of course, then we have applied these things. So wherever screenshot is required over there, I have taken the screenshot so that our output should be clear. Fine. So up to here, I think all the points are clear. Filter data class for class 9C girls girls students only and take its screenshot. So we have taken these screenshots. So you have to take all these screenshots in this way. Now come to the next section. We will save this file. We'll save this work with the name of practical 9 section C. You will save it with your name on the desktop in your exam. I'm saving it over here with the name of practical 7 section B. Sorry, it is section B. Now come to the next point of the Urdu in page. What we have to do in Urdu in page in section C. You can see over here in section C. Type the following paragraph. A very short paragraph is given over here. One line is, I think, coming with it, so I can remove it. Fine. This is a paragraph given over here. Type the given paragraph and save the file with your name. So I have already typed this passage, and in order to save the time, of course, you are going to type it. So I am going to take this from here. I will take a new file. I will paste it over here. I will save it with my name. In practical 7, I am saving it with the name of P7 section C. Okay, what we have to do next with it? We will type this paragraph. Of course, you need to do writing and typing practice in Urdu. Copy the text and paste it 4 times in the document. It is for 1 mark. Copy the text. Okay, we copy the text and we paste it 4 times with the 1 line gap. I have pressed Ctrl C and pressed Ctrl V. So now it has been pasted 4 times. What is the next thing? So what we have done, we have seen the copy paste work over here, how to do. Apply font size 18 and font color red to the second paragraph. Second paragraph, select it only. Font color red, font size 18 point. Okay, so we have applied 18 point and red color to the second paragraph. Apply font number next point, apply blue color to the third paragraph and also apply bold and italic. Third paragraph, blue color to it. It is not mentioned that change the size, only blue color. And bold and italic, apply bold and italic to it. Okay, so I have applied the bold and italic to it. Fine. The first paragraph is not bold and italic, it is normal. Fine, so we have pasted and we have applied bold and italic to it. Okay, now what is the next point? Next point is that cut the fifth paragraph and paste it inside a rectangular box with blue outline. Cut the fifth paragraph. I have selected, I have pressed Ctrl X. I take one box over here, I drop the box. Inside the box, I paste it. The box should be in the blue color outline. I will take this arrow tool, I will click on the box and I will increase the thickness of the box so that it should be visible. And the outline should be blue in color. So I am going to apply blue color outline. Okay, we have to apply only outline, not inside color, only outline color. So I'm going to apply the uh, outline. Out this point should be open. If you will forget, then you will not be applied. This is the outline. Take outline, then set the thickness, and then take the blue color. So we have done this thing. So we will take one screenshot of it and we'll go to our work. I think all the tasks are now complete. I'll go to there and I will paste it. Now first I will take the attendance and then I will take the questions if you have any. Okay, so we have got from Abdur Rahman to Sayyida Atika Faisal and then Fiza. Fine. So we have taken the attendance. Come to the work now. I hope these all points are now clear. So what you will do over here in this practical, if I remove all these filters, basically what was the objective? What is the objective that what you will do? You will do the uh, work accordingly. First task is create and save. So you will take the screenshot of the first task for the format, given format, given control V, given format. You will take the output screenshot of the given format first, number one. Number two, you will take the screenshot of just like okay. For the time being, if I remove the filter, it was basically the given format. So I am giving you the picture of the given format as well. So this is the given format that we have taken. Number one point. Fine. Second one is about the sort records according to the marks obtained. This is sorted by marks obtained. Fine, this one. The third one is sorted by names in descending order. Marks obtained is in ascending order. Marks obtained is in ascending order. Why I am writing these headings? Because it contains multiple outputs. That's why. Sorted by names in descending orders. Okay. The next point is over here is that filter data for students of class 9C only. So these are the students of class 9C only. Okay. Applied filter. So this is the option that we will apply. The next one is filter data for class 9C girls only. So over here I am typing class 9C girls students filter data. Okay, now why I have mentioned these things? Why? Because there are multiple screenshots, so it should be clear that what is basically a screenshot that we have taken and what is the purpose. So this one is the first one, number one. This one is the second one, number two. This one is the third one, number three. This one is the fourth, and this one is the fifth. Then we have got the section C of in page. So in this way you have to work for it, for this chapter, for this practical number 7. And if you come towards your outline, you will see that what are the things that we have covered over here. This is the FBISU outline. And we have applied in the last work, we had applied the page break and, header and footer, inserting page numbers, inserting margins, all these things, narrow margin, moderate margin. So what we did today, we did inserting and repositioning pictures. We not only we inserted the images, we applied some styles and effects on the images. artistic effects, colors, etc. And we also change their positions. Just like I said that align them, align all the three pictures, align all the three pictures in this way. So we change their positions as well in this way. And we also use the word art today we also used over here in this practical. So all the outline is covered, so inshallah you'll be able to score high and you'll be able to get the full marks, inshallah in your paper. So I don't think so there isn't anything that you don't know about all these things. And I have explained you in detail, although you had already studied these tools, Word, Excel, and InPage, but I explained you in detail Microsoft Word and all these things, and Excel as well, the points that we have covered in our working. So if you see over here in today's work, what we did in the Excel, if you come over here, so formatting we have applied to the cell addressing, working with functions. We have done a number of functions, sum function, minimum function, maximum function, average function we applied in the previous practicals. Similarly, we applied the count function, count if function, fine. If function, we have applied all these functions. Creating charts we had done in one of the practicals, but in upcoming practicals, we will also do the charts in some other ways as well. Fine, so we have applied sorting of data today. We have applied the sorting of data today. Conditional formatting is still left. We will cover this conditional formatting as well. So we will see these all things in a different ways, so that if a question comes, so you should not be confused about it and you should be able to write in a proper way. Up to here, if you have got any question, anything that you would like to ask, kindly ask me. Anything which is not clear, you need any clarification. In today's work in Excel, if you see, so in Excel we have taken 5 screenshots in today's work. Why? Because every time we have to show our output that this is the desired output. That's why this was the first given format. Then we applied sorted by marks obtained in the ascending order. Then we applied sorted by names in descending order. Then we applied the students of class 9C only, applied the filter. Then we applied another filter, which is showing you the students of class 9C only, the female students. So we have taken 5 screenshots. But of course, in Word and in page, only one screenshot is there according to the given task. I hope in Microsoft Word I have not pasted the screenshot. Let me take the screenshot for this work as well. So it how your output file will look like. Now this document is basically showing you the complete work. But of course, I will not give you the outputs. I will give you the question statement only. You will have to do it at your own. It's your responsibility to complete this work. Fine. If you have got any question, please ask me. Can anyone please give me the feedback about it? That all the things are clear to you? Raise the hand. Yes, Zulkaf, Usman, Hamza, Mubashir. Okay, fine. Thank you so much, all of you.